Hello students, welcome to our next lesson. So I am Teacher Villy, your maths teacher. Please bring the following: your notebook, your pencil, and your eraser. You need these things as we go on through the lesson. First activity. In this activity, you are going to determine which number whose underlying digits has the greatest value. Ready? So first question, we have the number 65,012, 9,408, 53,146,728. Now, which number whose underlying digit has the greatest value? Alright, so the first number, which is 65,012, has the digit 6. That is the underlying digit. What is the value of the digit 6? Right, 60,000. Next number, 9,408. We are in the digit 8, that is the underlined digit. So what is the value of the underlined digit, which is the digit 8? Correct. It's 8. What about the digit 7? The underlying digits in this number, 53,146,728. So what is the value of the digit 7? That is the underlying digit. Correct. It's 700. Therefore, the digits or the number whose underlying digit has the greatest value is 65,012. Wherein 6, the digit 6 or the underlying digit has the value 60,000. So that is the greatest number, or it has the greatest value. Number 2, we have the numbers 20,481,005. Next number we have 999,999. The next number we have 29,546. Now, which of this number wherein the underlying digit has the greatest value? Okay, so let's do it together. Let's take the number 20,481,005. What is the value of the digit 1? That is the underlying digit. So what is its value? Correct. It's 1,000. What about the digit 9 in the number 999,999. What is the value of the underlying digit? Correct. It's 9. What about in the number 29,546? What is the value of the digit 2, wherein the digit 2 that is the underlined digit? So what is its value? Correct. It's 20,000. 20,000. Therefore, 29,546. That is the number whose underlying digit is 2, wherein the value of the digit 2 is 20,000. Very good. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3. We have the numbers 9,036. Next number we have 63,900. And the third one we have 903,900,303. So which of this number whose underlying digit has the greatest value? Alright, so let's take the first number, 9,036, wherein we have the digit 3 that is the underlying digit. So what is the value of digit 3? Correct. It's 30. 30. Next number we have 63,900. What is the value of the digit 3? Right. It's 3,000. 3,000. Next number. What is the value of the digit 3 in the number 903,900,303? Correct. It's 3 million. Therefore, the number whose underlying digit that has the greatest value is 9 million, or 903,900,303, because the underlying digit, which is the digit 3, has the value of 3 million. 3 million. Very good. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4, we have the numbers 184,841. Next number we have 4,184. And the next number we have 48,144,114. Now, which of this number whose underlying digit has the greatest value? Alright, so let's take the first number, the digit 1. In this number, what is the value of the digit 1? Yes, it's 1. What about the digit 1 in this number? 4,184. What is the value of the digit 1? Correct. It's 100. 100. What about the digit 1 in this number? 48,144,114. What is the value of the digit 1? Excellent. It's 10. 10. Therefore, the number we have 4,000. 4,184, wherein the digit 1 has the value of 100. I'll repeat, 4,184. That is the number whose digit or underlined digit has the greatest value. Its value is 100. 100. Therefore, the number is 4,184. Very good. Okay, so let's move on to our next activity. So in this activity, you're going to apply your knowledge about place value. Ready? Let's take number 1. Number 1, we have the number 25,046. 25,046. Letter A. If the digit 0 in the hundreds place is erased, the value of the digit 4 will be. So what will be the value of the digit 4 if we erase the digit 0? I'll give you 30 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, so let's check your answer. So if the digit 0 in the hundreds place is erased, the value of the digit 4 will be 40. 40. Right, very good. Let's take the second question. Letter B. If the digit 0 in the hundreds place is erased, then the value of the digit 5 will be. So what will be the value of the digit 5 if we erase the digit 0? 30 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, So let's check your answer. So if the digit 0 in the hundreds place is erased, the value of the digit 5 will be 500. 500. Very good. Number 2. We have the number 921,854. Letter A. If the digit 1 in the thousands place is erased, the value of the digit 8 will be. So what will be the value of the digit 8 if we erase the digit 1? 30 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, so let us check your answer. Ready? If the digit 1 in the thousands place is erased, the value of the digit 8 will be 800. 800. Very good. Letter B. If the digit 1 in the thousands place is erased, the value of the digit 9 will be. So what will be the value of the digit 9 if we erase the digit 1? 30 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, so if the digit 1 in the thousands place is erased, then the value of the digit 9 will be 90,000. 90,000. Very good. Okay, so we have new word to learn for today. So the word we have expanded form. Expanded form. Follow after me. Let's read all together. Ready? Expanded form. One more time. Expanded form. So expanded form is a way to write numbers by adding the values of its digit. I'll repeat. Expanded form. Expanded form is a way to write numbers by adding the values of its digit. So I will show you an example later on as we go on through the lesson. So our lesson for today is all about writing numbers in expanded form. Writing numbers in expanded form. So writing numbers in expanded form is a way to write numbers by adding the values of its digit. So listen carefully so that you are able to understand the lesson that we are going to discuss today. So I'll show you an example so that you're able to understand. Example number 1. We have the number 274,659. So first thing to do, you have to find the value of its digit. So let's start from right to left. So what is the value of the digit 9? Of course, it's 9. What about the digit 5? What is its value? Yes, it's 50. What about the digit 6? What is its value? Correct. It's 600. What about the digit 4? What is its value? Correct. It's 4,000. 4,000. What about the digit 7? What is its value? Correct. It's 70,000. 70,000. And what about the digit 2? What is its value? Correct. It's 200,000. 200,000. Now, so we are going to write this in expanded form. So we have the number 274,659. So this is the number. So when we write number in expanded form, it says is a way to write numbers by adding the values of its digit. So adding means we use the operation addition. Okay, so we will take the values of the number from right or from left to right. So we have the value of the digit 2, which is 200,000 plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 9. So that is in the form of expanded form. We write numbers by adding the values of its digit. So therefore, 274,659 can be written in expanded form as 200,000 plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 9. Let's move on to the next example. Example number 2. The number is 810,472,965. So first thing to do, we have to find the value of its number. So let's start from right to left. So what is the value of the digit 5? Right, it's 5. And what is the value of the digit 6? It's 60, correct. And what is the value of the digit 9? Yes, it's 900. What about the value of the digit 2? Correct. It's 2000. What about the digit 7? What is its value? Correct. It's 70,000. What about the digit 4? Right. It's 400,000. What about the digit 0? Correct. It's 0. What about the value of the digit 1? Correct. It's 10 million. 10 million. What about the digit 8? Yes, it's 800 million. Now, let's write this number 810,472,965 in expanded form. So the number can be written in expanded form as. So we have to take the value of its digits from left to right. Ready? Here we go. We have 800 million plus 10 million plus 0 plus 400,000 plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 5. I repeat, the number 810,472,965 can be written in expanded form as 800 million plus 10 million plus 0 plus 400,000 plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 5. Number 3. So we have this figure. First thing is you have to find the number, and then you have to write it, or you have to write the number in expanded form. So write your answer on your notebook. I'll give you 3 minutes to finish this problem. Ready? Timer starts now. Alright, so let's check your answer. So first thing to do, we have to find the number based from the given figure. So first is, what is the number, or how many bits are there in the ones place? What is the number in the ones place? 7. There are 7 bits in the ones place. What about in the tens place? Right, there are 2 bits. What about in the hundreds place? Right, there are 6 bits. What about in the thousands place? Right, 3. What about in the 10,000s place? Right, there are 4 bits. What about in the hundreds thousands place? Correct, 3. What about in the millions place? Yes, there are 4 bits. What about in the 10 millions place? Okay, there are 6 bits. What about in the 100 millions place? Of course, there is 1 bit. Now, what is the number? So the number is 164,343,627. So we have the number. I'll repeat. 164,343,627. So the number can be written in expanded form as, what is the value of the digit 1? That is in the 100 millions place. Right, it's 100 million. What about the digit 6? That is in the 10 millions place. Right, it's 60 million. What about the digit 4? That is in the millions place. Yes, it's 4 million. What about the digit 3? That is in the hundred thousands place. Correct. It's 300,000. What about the digit 4? That is in the 10,000s place. Alright, it's 40,000. What about the digit 3? That is in the thousands place. Correct, it's 3,000. What about the digit 6? That is in the hundreds place. Of course, it's 600. What about the digit 2? That is in the tens place. Yes, it's 20. And the digit 7 that is in the ones place. Correct. It's 7. Therefore, 164,343,627 can be written in expanded form as 100 million plus 60 million plus 4 million plus 300,000 plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 7. Excellent. Number 4. So we have this figure. So the same thing. You have to find the number and then write the number in expanded form. So I'll give you 3 minutes to finish this problem. Ready? Write your answer on your notebook. Ready? Timer starts now. Alright, so let's check your answer. Ready? So first, let's find the number. So based from this figure, what is the number in the ones place? Alright, it's 4. What is the number in the tens place? Right, it's 3. What about in the hundreds place? Right, we have 6. What about in the thousands place? Correct, it's 2. What about in the 10,000s place? We have 7. What about in the 100,000s place? Alright, it's 5. What about in the millions place? Yes, 1. What about in the 10 millions place? 6. What about in the 100 millions place? Right, we have 4. What about in the billions place? Of course, 3. Now, we have the number 3,461,572,634. So the number can be written in expanded form as 3 billion plus 400 million plus 60 million plus 1 million plus 500,000 plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 4. Very good. Thank you for listening. I do hope that you understand the lesson that we have discussed today. If you have any question, just comment down below. See you again in our next lesson. Have a good day. Goodbye.